Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new Fiverr account after your previous one was disabled. This is a tricky situation because Fiverr has strict policies around account bans, but I'll walk you through the proper steps to handle this the right way. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Before we go any further, here's something really important you need to understand. Fiverr is extremely strict when it comes to disabled accounts. If you simply try to create a new account the same way you did before, it will very likely get banned again almost immediately. This is because Fiverr doesn't just ban your account, they track users through multiple methods, including your email address, IP address, device fingerprint, and even your identity information. This means that new accounts created without addressing the original issue often get disabled again within days or even hours. So instead of rushing to create a new account, one of the most important things you should do first is try to recover your original account. This is always the better approach because it shows Fiverr you're willing to work within their system rather than trying to bypass their rules. Let me show you how to do this properly. On the Fiverr homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find several footer links, and among these options, click on Help Center. This will take you to Fiverr's support section, where you can find solutions to various account issues. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the section labeled Account Settings and Security. Under this category, click on Accessing My Account. This section specifically deals with login and access problems, which is exactly what you're facing right now. From the options that appear, click on Disabled Accounts. This page contains detailed instructions and information about why accounts get disabled and what steps you can take to appeal the decision. Read through all the instructions carefully. These guidelines will explain Fiverr's policies and what they expect from users who want their accounts restored. Take your time here and make sure you understand everything before proceeding. Now add a new tab in your browser and go to your email. Click on Compose to start a new message. This is where you'll write your appeal directly to Fiverr's support team. In the To field, type support@fiverr.com. Make sure you spell this correctly so your message reaches the right department. Next, you'll need a subject line. Type something short and clear like request to restore my account. This immediately tells the support team what your email is about. Now for the message itself, keep it clean and simple. Include your username or the email address associated with your disabled account. Explain your situation politely and professionally. Avoid being defensive or angry even if you feel the ban was unfair. Simply state that you'd like to understand why your account was disabled and request an opportunity to restore it. If you know what caused the ban, acknowledge it and explain how you'll follow Fiverr's terms moving forward. Once you've written your message, click Send. Now you'll need to wait for Fiverr's response. They typically reply within a few days, though it can sometimes take longer depending on their support queue. By following this process, you're showing Fiverr that you respect their platform rules and are willing to work with them rather than against them. This dramatically increases your chances of getting your account restored compared to just trying to sneak in with a new account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.